Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to make a quick video talking about motion sickness with VR. In particular, I've got the Quest 2. Now this was given to me as a present in November. I really like it, but the first day I put it on, I played Phasmophobia for about 5 minutes, and within about 2 minutes I was feeling awful. I wanted to vomit, I wanted to be sick. I was contemplating sending the headset back because I could not stand the feeling of playing VR. It really worried me. So I thought I'd make this video because any of you that have got VR and you are worried, oh no, I feel awful playing it. Don't worry. I feel sick. My lips are dry. I feel like all the blood's left my brain. I feel like I'm going to pass out. So for me, as a kid, I've always felt motion sickness. In a car, if we was as a child, if we was driving 3 or 4 hours, I would 100% be sick on that journey. I've been on a boat before as well, and I felt sick on that as well. Games, actual playing video games, some people get sick just motion blur on the screen. For me, I've never had an issue with that. I know it has been an issue for some people. So with VR, again, the first couple of days I felt awful. So the reason you might feel motion sick is the science behind it is something like your brain is, your visual cortex is seeing something different to your body. So for example, in a car, when you're moving around, your movement is different to your eyes. So it thinks you've been poisoned, therefore you feel sick because you want to vomit up the toxic blueberries that you've been eating. So evolution. So how did I get over my motion sickness? Basically, first off, I just started playing in small chunks, so 10, 15-minute periods. I would open a window, I would put a fan on. I would also leave this gap down here so I could sort of ground myself to reality if I just wanted to sort of look down at the floor, get my bearings, get where I was in the real world. And so playing it in small chunks helped the most for me. Now, I did stop playing VR for about 2 weeks. When I put the headset back on, again, I felt really sick really fast. So I went online. I wanted to find some alternative solutions, and this is what I've come across. Now, this could be just the placebo effect, but we've got these little bands here. So this is one option. Got a little micro bead, I don't know what to call it, a bead thing inside, and you just wear this like a wristband, and the idea is that puts some pressure on your wrist here. Now, science behind it, supposedly there is a pressure point here that if you press on it, for some reason that is supposed to help with motion sickness. Now for me, these haven't really helped that much, but the big one for me is ginger root. Now, I'm not a doctor. I'm not telling you to take anything. I'm not telling you to eat these. I'm just telling you what worked for me. This is for entertainment purposes only. I don't know if you might have problems with ginger or a dietary issue. Do not take these because you've looked at an idiot on the internet. Okay? So I was looking online. Travel sickness tablets. I didn't want something too chemical. I wanted something natural, and you can get ginger tablets for motion sickness. So rather than buy ones designed for motion sickness because they're too expensive, I just went on Holland and Barrett and bought 90 tablets of ginger root for fairly cheap. Now, I don't take these every time I play VR. I might just take one every like 2 or 3 days, but I find I've had no motion sickness after taking these tablets. So I take one about half an hour or an hour before playing VR, and I never feel sick anymore. So thanks for watching that video. Again, ginger root tablets, for me, that's helped the most with motion sickness. These little bands could just be a placebo effect, but it's supposed to add pressure onto your wrist. That's supposed to help with motion sickness. Number 3, try and play in small doses, 15 to 20 minutes. Each time you're going to build up that tolerance, and it won't be as bad as the first time you play. So if you've liked this video, please hit the like button. If you thought it was a big pile of poo, obviously hit the dislike button. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Goodbye.